Why, hello, my beautiful smooth friends. Today I have a full face of new makeup that I haven't tried out yet, and I'm really excited because I have some Lethal products. Lethal just came out with a new SpongeBob collection, but I have their collection that came out right before Christmas. Yeah, this is called the Serpentine palette, and it opens up really cool. So it opens up like that, and then the pouch has in it, look at this, this is really cool. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this, but it's very interesting. Yeah, so inside is the palette. And I haven't even looked at this yet. Let me take these little dots off. There are 15 square pans. And it looks like there are 6 shimmers and the rest are mattes. And it's a very pretty color story. It's very red and green, which is very Christmassy, even though it's called the Serpentine palette. Let's see what it says. Serpentine pressed powder palette. It has the ingredients on the back. Let's do some swatches first. I'm going to swatch all these out so that you can see them. And the first 4 colors look like this. They are Sidewinder, Slider, Serpent's Tongue, that's like a very pretty cherry red, and Snakebite. And their mattes, as usual, are very pigmented. And the shimmer is very shimmery. They're not magnetic pans. They're kind of like just regular pans. They're a little smaller than a lot of their pans. And they do a lot of different pans. So then we'll go with the next 4. So next we have Scales, Hemotoxin, that's a very pretty color, Prey, and Rattle. Rattle is very light. Okay. Let's do the next 4. So we have Hiss and Basilisk, Paralysis, and Viper. Viper's really pretty. The last 3 are Cold Blood, Feral, and Garden of Eden. Okay, I'm going to insert the swatches here for you, and we will come back and I'll be zoomed in and we'll do my full face. Okay, so we're all zoomed in. The first thing I'm going to use is this Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Balm. And this can work like a primer, so I'm just going to put that on with some clean hands. Just warm it up with my fingers. And it is a balm. My skin's a little red today. Okay, I'm going to use my House Labs Standard Beauty foundation. I love this foundation. It's very nice. So it's a good match for me, and also it just goes on really beautifully. Don't forget your neck. I'm going to use a brush for this. The next thing I'm going to use is the Ritual Defy blush. It's a cream blush and it is in the color Snowdrop. So I'm just going to grab a blush brush for this and put that on with a brush. That's very pretty in pink. Alright, I'm also going to put on an eye primer from Morphe. This is currently my favorite eye primer. It's inexpensive and it works really well. I got the Tarte Sculpt bronzer in the last beauty box from Allure, so I'm going to use that. It's a little dark for me, but we'll make it work. And I have the, that's the Tarte one again, Charlotte Tilbury Glow Beauty Light Wand. This is a highlighter. It's the same kind of puffy thing. So let's do that. I'm going to put a little bit of Tear concealer underneath my eyes just because I'm feeling a little bit sleepy today. So we'll see if that helps at all. It's not going to make me less sleepy, but it might make me look less sleepy. And then I need some eyebrows because my eyebrows are looking a little bit mingy. I'm using I have to get another one of these NYX micro brow pencil. It's running out on me quickly and I need to make sure that it is good. That looks good. Let's play with some of these lipsticks. So there's 2 lipsticks that came with this kit. Let's see what they look like. The first one is a dark, deep red. And it is the color Lily of the Valley. It's an Infinity Lip Stain, it's called. And then the second one, I think there's more than 2 of these, but I only got 2 because I figured that's probably enough to try. The formula, ooh, this is a pretty color, is Wolfsbane. It's a deep dark purple. So let's swatch those for you. And that's what they look like. The Lily of the Valley is actually much more orangey red than anything else. And the Wolfsbane is purple, but they're stained, so they're going to be a little thinner. I think for this, I will put on the Wolfsbane today. That's pretty nice. All right, let's play with this palette. What do I want to do with this palette? I think I'm going to play with some of these, the gray, and then some of these deep dark reds. So let's start with the gray. I'm going to start with a Singe E08. And just plop that all in the crease of my eye. There's not a lot of light blending shades in this palette, so prepare for a smoky look if you do get this palette. But it's very pretty. It's like a blue gray. And then for some contrast, I'm going to go into the color Cold Blood. Let's get a smaller brush. I'm going to use a Referral 14 brush. So we'll go into Cold Blood here. I'm just going to plop that right on the outside here. Cold-blooded, check it and see. Yeah, that looks pretty. And I'm also going to plop it right in the corner here. We'll do like a halo eye today. How's that? And I'm just going to brush this off and use the same brush. If I can find my brush cleaner. And I'm going to go into Feral, this deep dark purpley red here. And just put that really right in the corner. Right in this corner. And let's just go back into Cold Blood and brighten that up where I put it before. And then we'll go back into the gray and just dot that where it was. Yeah, so far I think that looks really pretty. Now, what color do I want to use? I think I am going to use this color Viper right here. And I will use a little bit of NYX glitter glue to try and stick that down really well. We'll just tap it on where I want it. Pre-tap it on this side too. You only need a little tiny bit, and then there's the halo. I mean, that looks really nice. Let's put just a little bit of fresh red right on top of that, just so it stands out a little bit. And I think that looks great. I think for underneath my eye, what I'm going to do is take this color Rattle, and I'm going to spray my brush, and I'm going to put that underneath my eye. I think that looks pretty. And then underneath is that Rattle color. This stain is like a very nice matte stain. If you like a matte look, I think this would work well for you. Okay, let's do the other eye, and I will come back with the mascara. For mascara, I am using my Ribbon Wrapped Lash from Too Faced. And I liked this the first time I was using it, so let's see how it's performing now that I had it for a week open. So here's the final look. What do you guys think? I think it came out nice. I don't think this is my favorite Lethal palette. In fact, if you wanted a red palette, I would go more for the Dexter palette than for this Serpentine one. This has greens in it, which the Dexter palette does not have. But I do like this. I just feel it's not as special as some of their other palettes that have come out this year. Let me spray my skin. I'm using the All Nighter Urban Decay. It's still the old formula, I believe, so it's good to go. Yeah, I really appreciate everyone that's subscribed so far. Feel free to subscribe if you're not subscribed already and you like this kind of content. I'm a 57-year-old woman that has fair skin, fair to light, and I have combination skin, so if you're like that and you want to see makeup looks or you just like hanging out, feel free to subscribe, hit like, and maybe leave a comment down below. I'll talk to you all soon. Remember, be hopeful, not sad, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!